Legs are parallel and keep the knees and growing soft, and let's start swinging the pelvis front and back. And keep approaching the core. And continue to the side. And keep listening to the breathing as well. Now start making the circle with the pelvis, 2 to the left, 2 to the right. Keep the knees and growing soft. Now start approaching to the chest. You stand like this, so keep bending the knees and move the chest forward and backwards. And keep the same height. You might feel a bit challenged to do this, but if you feel a tiny movement around the chest area, it's already good, because it's the most important things to put the awareness there. Try to move the chest and not the shoulder too much. And keep bending the knees at the bit. And slowly we pull the arms down. And keep the same height. And start moving the chest sideways. And let's make circle with the chest. You feel like you're massaging the lungs. Keep the soft knees and growing. Continue to the other side. And now shoulder up and pull back. And one by one. And start opening the arms and keep the flow in the whole arms and the whole body. And just try to be with the music. And reverse the arm. Now we start connecting to the head. Look right and left and right and up. And keep the shoulders open. And head roll. Continue. Other way around. Hope you feel a bit released.